Hey there Candy Crush lover, ever get your lives are full notification in the middle of class, or date, or worse, a meeting with your boss? Don't worry, in this video I am going to show you how to turn off notification in Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, exit Candy Crush and head over to your phone setting app. That's where the real power lives. Once you are inside the setting, tap on app or app management, depending on your mobile device. Once you are inside the apps, tap on Candy Crush. Now tap on notification. You will see a bunch of options like show notification, pop up, etc. Flip that main switch off and bam, no more your lives are full message at 3 am. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can turn off notification in Candy Crush Saga. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.